Melanie, and I am so excited for this week's video. This is the very first episode of my moving series. If you guys saw my little Q&A last week, I dropped a little bit of news on you guys, and that is that I will be moving in about a week. Well, I think I'll actually have done most of the move by the time I upload this. That took me a second. Nevertheless, I am starting this new series to bring you guys along with me for the entire process of moving, all the way from packing everything up at my home in Washington, where I've been for the past like 4 months, to driving down to California, moving into my new apartment, and of course decorating it and all of the fun stuff. I am super excited to start this actual series. I feel like this is the first series I've done, and I also just think this is such a huge adulting point in my life, and I'm really happy to share that with you guys and document it. So let's get started with today. All right, so when we take a little look at my planner, what month is it? Literally, what month is it? As I start this video, it is March, holy crap, it is March 26th. I will officially be moving and need to be completely packed. Oh, I have more than a week. I'm doing good. I like how I don't even know that. But I also know that my last week being here, I want to not be like freaking out about packing. I want to spend time with my family and like seeing my friends and stuff. So I think it's good that I'm starting like a teensy bit. I can't even call this early, but honestly I started to pack a couple things a bit earlier, and it just got a little frustrating because I just wanted to use them, and so then I had to go through all my pack boxes. Plus all my stuff is just like in our living room, so I feel kind of bad. We are just starting very minimally with little bits and bobs of packing. The very main thing that I will be bringing with me is like all that clothes in my closet, so I think I'll be doing that at the end of this week or the end of this video. Today on my list, I want to pack my hoodies, my workout clothes. I want to take a little look through my shoes. I don't think I'm gonna pack all of them yet, but I want to like mentally know how many pairs of shoes I'm gonna be bringing. I also want to pack a little bit more of my craft supplies, but that one's a little bit hard because I'm always crafting. But I think I'm just gonna like leave some yarn out to keep me entertained for the next week, and then I should probably pack my sewing machine. I'm not gonna like sew a dress in the next week, so let's be realistic here. But first, I want to give you guys a little update on how much stuff I have packed so far. I've just done like a couple boxes here and there. This is what I mean by like I'm taking up my living room space. I also have a bin that's at my grandma's right now that has some of my appliances. Like I think it has a blender in there and like a mixing bowl. I also want to bring my Nespresso. It's always like this when I'm packing. I don't know if I'm doing a good job or like if I have enough room, but you know, we're gonna have to make it fit. So this is one of my workout bins, so I think I'm gonna go through this. I always, and hopefully it's different this time because I won't be like, you know, in college, but every single freaking year I went to college, I would pack so much workout clothes, and then I swear, I'd work out probably like 3 times max. Except for one semester. One semester I was actually very consistent. So hopefully we're bringing back that energy, but I'm gonna try to be a little bit realistic about this. Anyways, the whole story behind this move is that I started apartment searching and everything started becoming a lot more real after I graduated. I think when I graduated, I wasn't like super sure where my life was heading and where I was gonna be and where I was going, which freaked me the heck out because I'm such a planner and I feel like I need to know my next steps at all moments. With the actual move, at first I thought I was gonna completely like clear out my room. Like I thought this room was gonna be empty and my parents were gonna like take it over and I was gonna take all the furniture and everything with me, but I slowly but surely realized that that is just like not gonna happen and not possible. More of my workout stuff is down here for some reason. I don't know why I separate it like that, but I guess I do. So anyways, at first I feel like I had this really big concept in mind of like, I'm gonna get U-Haul trucks, we're gonna drive everything down. But then it eventually became what it is now, which is literally what I did for the past 4 years of college. We are just going to drive my car and as much stuff as I can fit into it down there, which is perfectly fine. And I honestly want to visit home a lot, so hopefully I'll be able to like bring more stuff as I go if I, you know, like need more things. this is what we have for my workout clothes right now. I have a lot of these little bins just at home, and if I'm bringing bins, I try to stuff them with as much stuff as I can. You can tell she's solid. These all have like padding and stuff, so I didn't want to roll them, but I'm gonna have to figure out a way to pack all of this soon. The next things that I wanted to pack today was hoodies. I think most of my top, especially my pants, I don't have like that many pants, so I'm probably gonna be wearing most of them for the next week and a half, but I have plenty of hoodies, so I can definitely pack the ones that I'm gonna bring right now. Honestly, I probably could pack more stuff right now. I just don't want it to all be sitting downstairs. I also feel like if I pack everything now, it gives me more time to be like, oh, I want to bring this too, and then it leads to chronic overpacking. Should I like, what the heck? Should I like pack my sweatshirts too? Should I be a little like overachiever right now and pack my sweatshirt? Yes, I love this. Should I bring my Pepperdine sweatshirt? Should I? I'll just bring one. Just one. Lonely Ghost hoodie? Maybe. Probably, right? So I should probably only bring one of them. This one I will bring to remember that I am in fact from Seattle. Like, I would forget that. Let's see how we're doing. Let's see how we're doing. Okay, so you can tell by my face the kind of update we got here. I finished choosing my hoodies and my sweatshirts. Let me show you what I have. Like, hello, this looks like it would take out my entire freaking trunk. I think I have 7 hoodies, which, like, tell me I'm wrong. I thought that wasn't bad. Honestly, I wear hoodies and sweatshirts so much. I feel like it's half of my wardrobe that if I just don't bring them, I'm gonna end up buying more, because I always offer the comfy option, so I might as well just, like, I know myself, but here's where like it gets kind of bad. I mean, I guess the stacks are like the same size, but I think I have 11 sweatshirts. Honestly, some of them are so thin. They're basically long sleeve shirts. Looking at those stacks, I'm realizing I think I'm gonna have to invest in some like vacuum seal bags. I did that for college for like my bedding and stuff, and it actually saves so much room. Anyways, the last thing that I wanted to pack today was a little bit more of my craft supplies. As you guys can see, I have a lot of craft stuff here, and I definitely won't be able to take all of it with me. I'm going to try to take only what I have room for and what I really need. Hey guys, it's a new day, and I want to try to do just a little bit of packing tonight. I have 3 things on my list, so hopefully I can get them all done. Stationery, hair appliances and accessories, I guess, and then bags. I think we're gonna start off with bags. I have so much stuff. I keep a lot of my bags in this little chair stool thing. A lot of my other bags, or my most used bags, are in my closet, so I'm probably gonna end up bringing all of those. Of the things in here, I might also end up bringing all of these. So cute. I think I want to bring most of them. So I think I'm finished with my packing for tonight. I like to just do like 30 minutes in a day to make it a little less overwhelming. For tonight, this is what I packed for my bags, including most of my purses, excluding like the one that I'm using right now. I have this random lamp that I just got at Marshall's today. It's so cute. It changes the color of the lighting, which is a necessity. This is what I have for hair. I guess it's like accessories, like scrunchies and hair ties and clips and stuff like that. This is part of my stationery. And then I just wanted to mention a little, like, I don't know if this is a hack. I'm sure this is kind of like logical and plenty of people do this, but something that I like to do is, instead of using packing bags, I'll use bags that I'm already planning on bringing to store other things. For example, this cafe bag has a bunch of other bags inside it. It also has some of my hair tools. And then this purse, I use this to store all of like my stationery. So it has my pencils, my tape, my washi tape, my Instax printer. It just has everything in there and it keeps it together. But obviously, probably gonna be keeping my stationery stuff in like a drawer, so I don't want to buy a packing cube or like use something to pack it when, you know, I could just put it in a purse. It's a win-win. Anyways, that's where I'm gonna leave it for tonight, and I will see you whenever I pack next. Hey guys, so I want to show you a little update with how much I have packed, because it is building up. My poor living room. You guys think this can fit in the trunk of my little sedan? It's a game we always play. It doesn't sound great. I have some bubble wrap, but the other thing that I do is I'll just like wrap all of the items in like thin t-shirts or like thin cloth basically. I'll do what I can with the bubble wrap for now. I'm not gonna lie, I was not planning on bringing this much dishware, but stuff happened. So I made this stoneware bowl with my mom kind of recently. I have 2 of these little mushroom mugs. I have this like ergonomic stoneware cup. I want to use this for my espresso machine. I have this mug that I painted. I also have this mug that my mom painted for me. What I'm also gonna do is I'm packing some little balls of yarn. Since there's like empty space in between my mugs and stuff, I'm gonna cram the yarn in between so it doesn't like move around. Kind of like this. All right. Today we are taking on the big challenge of going through my closet over here. The concern is that I've already packed a good amount of clothes, but we're gonna go through everything that is hung up. Typically when I went to college, I would keep them on the hangers, put a bag around it so that it's super quick and easy to just hang up, start school the next day. But I'm going in with a bit of a different mentality since I'm doing more of a full move, and I'm trying to bring as much of my clothes as I can. So I think I'm gonna be folding everything, vacuum sealing it. Right now, we just need to decide what I'm actually bringing with me. Okay guys, so this is where I'm starting to get a little concerned because literally look how much clothes I want to bring. Not that bad, right? These are just my dresses. Look at this dense stack that is falling over, but we're gonna vacuum seal it. Wish me luck. Hey guys, so it's Tuesday. I'm officially driving down Saturday morning. I want to pack my car the night before, but I would say I'm about maybe like 90 to 95% done, but I also wanted to mostly finish packing a couple days in advance so I could really enjoy my last couple days here with my family and just have fun, not be too stressed about last minute packing. And I also wanted to finish editing this video before I do the long drive and move and everything. So we're gonna try to finish up most of our packing today actually. One of the very last things that I wanted to do before I start packing my car and doing the very last minute stuff is test out these vacuum seal bags that I got. I just want to test it out right now, and I'm probably gonna do the rest of my clothes like the night before or as close to the move as I can, but I just want to see how much more room I can save. I just ordered these from Amazon a couple days ago. If you're moving or going to college or packing just for like anything, I totally recommend getting something like that. So this is the before. This has like 7 sweatshirts in it right now. Oh my gosh, look at that transformation. Look at this, can you believe this is like 7 sweatshirts? So handy. I'm gonna do the rest of the clothes over there and all the clothes in my room before I have to pack it, but hopefully this doesn't inflate too much within the next couple of days. All right guys, I think I'm actually going to end off this first episode of my moving series right here. I am so excited for this journey and for the next episodes to come. I can't wait for you guys to see my apartment, and I also can't wait to see it myself because I don't know if I mentioned this, but I actually have not seen our place yet. More details on that to come in the next episode. But thank you guys just so much for being here with me. I'm so excited for this journey. This feels like such a huge milestone, and it's crazy that you guys have been with me for all of it. I will see you guys in a couple days once we are packing the car and doing the big long drive for one last time. Thank you guys so much for being here, for watching this video, and stay tuned for the rest of the series. Bye guys.